Hi YouTube team, my name is Herman and I am the owner and the creator of the YouTube channel Fidel Music. In order to ensure transparency during this review, I have made my previously private videos public for your review. I encourage you to check them all out as well. I am submitting the appeal to provide a transparent look into my creative process and to show how transfer my content to meet YouTube monetization policies. My channel Fidel Music focuses on music production where I bridge the gap between oldies and modern creativity. I do not simply re-upload existing songs. Instead, I collaborate with classic inspiration to create something entirely new, provide significant, transformative value by writing my own original lyrics and mix with all the lyrics, rearranging the melody to give the music like a fresh creative perspective. My creative workflow is manually and intensive. I begin every project by sitting at my piano and I experiment with notes and chords to develop a unique melody that differs from the original source. I write new lyrics to ensure the song has a modern and personal touch. Once the melody and lyrics are set, I use AI to produce the final track. I use a paid subscription which grants me the commercial rights to the output, and I guide the AI specifically using the melodies I composed. Ensure the result is my own unique cover vision. This visual side of my channel is also handled entirely by me. Ensure high quality. I use CapCut to edit my videos and sync with the audio and add transition and effects that match the mood of the music. I create all my thumbnails from scratch using Pixel Lab and Gemini, focusing on clear branding and high quality imagery to represent the song accurately. I take great pride in the work I do from the first note on the piano and the and the final result in CapCut export. Every video on my channel involves my personal creativity and manual labor, and this is my production process. I plead with you to please review my channel and receive my monetization request. I will be very grateful and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and consider my appeal. Thanks.